Hello students, hope you all are fine. So students, as you know, we are doing large numbers chapter. So today our topic is write the numbers in an ascending or descending order. So you all are aware what is ascending and descending order? Ascending order is increasing order. Okay, descending order is decreasing order. Okay, so how to write in ascending order? So we write from smallest to biggest. Ascending, we are climbing, means from smallest to biggest. And in descending order, from biggest to smallest now. Okay, ascending, it is like this, starting from here to here, from smallest to bigger. Descending order is like this, from biggest to smallest. Okay, for understanding these topics, students, you should know how to compare the numbers, which we did in previous session. Okay, there you compared two numbers. Now we have more than two numbers. Now we have four numbers and we have to compare these numbers. And after that we will arrange in ascending or descending order. Okay, I am taking here first example. Rewrite the numbers in ascending order. So first four numbers are given. Okay, first step is count their places. Like this number is also having four places. This number has three places and this number has four places. Means these three numbers have four places and this number has three places. So which is the smallest number? This one, we can see it very clearly. This is smallest number. So put here number 1. Okay, this is the smallest number. Now you will compare these three numbers. So how we compare? We compare with their first place. Now check, on first place it has 1, on first place it has 3, on first place it has 7. So which is the smallest? 1 is the smallest. 1, 3, 7. So which is the smallest? This one. So it means on second place this number. Okay, so write down 2 on this number. Okay, now these two numbers are left. So we can see it very clearly that out of 3 and 7, 3 is smaller. So it means on third number this number will come. So on fourth place this number will come. Now all these numbers are in sequence. Now we are writing it in ascending order. So we will start from the smallest number. So first we will write the smallest number, then bigger than that this one, then bigger than that this one, and then at last we will write the biggest number. So in this way you can write four numbers in an ascending order. Similarly, if 5 numbers are given, if 6 numbers are given, you can easily compare these numbers by checking their places. I hope it is clear. Now next example I am taking of descending order. Rewrite the numbers in descending order. Again 4 numbers are given. So method is same. First we will count the places of all the numbers. It has 4 places, 4 places. This number has 3 places and this number has 4 places. So which is the smallest one? This one. but now we are writing in descending order, so we will start from the biggest number. We will start from the biggest number. It means it will end at smallest number. See, biggest to smallest. So the smallest number will be at end, so we will give this number as 4. This is the smallest number. Okay, now out of these three numbers we will compare the first value for first place of these numbers. This is 3, 5, 4. Okay, so which is the biggest out of these? 5. So this means this whole number will come on first place. After 5, out of 3 and 4, which is the bigger one? 4. So it will come on second place. After that, this one, so it will be on third place. Now if you check, all numbers have got positions 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we can write it in sequence. Okay, now we are writing in descending order, so we will start from the biggest. So after that, smaller than this, then smaller than this, then the smallest number. Okay, in case first places are same, then what you will do? Then you will compare the second place. If second places are also same, then you will compare the third place, as we did in previous session. Okay, I hope it is clear to all. And students, again I am giving you reminder that you all will write tables of 14, 15, 16 twice. Okay, daily you will write these tables twice in your separate notebook. Okay, thank you students.